How to create a link in Bitly. Once you go onto the website first, it'll prompt you to log in. It'll actually prompt you to choose a plan as well. There's a couple of plans you can choose from. Right now, I'm just using the free one, and it's going to have limited links. But either way, let's carry on with the tutorial. The way you want to make the link is by going here onto the left-hand side of the dashboard, links. And let's create a Bitly link. And the destination is the URL you want to put in. There's going to be a title as well, and the ways to share. The domain is locked onto Bitly. If you want to change that, you need to upgrade your plan. For the destination, I'll just put in google.com. The title will be Google. You can turn this on if you want, but again, you need to upgrade your plan. The custom pack health, you can customize it. So Google shorten link, for example. You can also create a QR code if you'd like. You can also add in a Bitly page if you'd like, but for this one, I'll just turn those off. This is exactly where this is. Oh, right. And the link you can use is like a username. If there's already one that exists, you can't use that. So I'll just add in an extra K there. It should have, yep, it's available. And mind this as well, you can create 5 more custom pack halves this month because of my free plan. But after that's done, just press create. And there you go. You just copy this link, share it to wherever you want. If I copy and paste this link here, it'll redirect me to Google. So that is how you make a Bitly link.